Dear parents, I've been thinking of ways that I can help you work with the children at home, and I thought I'd do some lessons on the video. These are lessons I've already sent home. Maybe you can look at these videos whenever you're feeling like you need some help, and let me know if they're helping and which more would you want me to do. Now I'm going to start with numbers and counters. To some of those that have sent this lesson, how do you do this lesson? I don't have enough counters, so I'm just going to do 1 to 5. So first of all, you have the numbers and you have the counters. So you put them out, and you and the child figure out which one counts first. So you would say, so which number comes first? You say 1. This is 1. And then you tell them what would come next. Or maybe tell you 2. If they don't know, you can always help them, and they will say 2, and then you put 2. And what comes next? And then they may point out 3, and then you get a 3. And what is next? And then 4. You go like that until 5, and if you're going to up to 10, you go up to 10. Then after that, you start looking. I'm doing this on a mat because they usually do this work on a mat, so it will be confusing if they don't do it on the mat. So then you get out the counters and you say, okay, this is 1. How many do we need for 1? Then I say 1. Then you let us get 1. And you put 1. How many do we need for this number? This is 2. How many counters do we need? I said 2. Okay, let's count 2. Usually want to help, so let them help. You count 1, 2. And then they will put 2. And what is next? Sometimes we do this to put them like in partners, because usually some of them who have the idea of odd and even numbers. Then you'd say, what is next? 3. How many counters do we need? They said 3. Let's count 3. So they count 1, 2, 3. And please help them if they're stuck. Then you go here and it's a 3. 1, 2, 3. What comes next? 4. Okay. How many counters do we need for number 4? You find, let's count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we go and put them on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what is next? 5. That's the last number, 5. Then let's count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we'll go and put them 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I would have wanted to go up to 10, but I don't have the counters at home. I'm just improvising. But I hope this can give you an idea of what you can do, whether you're doing 1 to 5 or 1 to 10. And that's it. That's how you do the numbers and counters. Thank you. I hope that helps. Stay safe. Okay, I'm going to show you another lesson, which is addition. I've written some math problems here. As you see, this one says 5 plus 4. The reason I'm using 2 different colors is that so it's clearer for them. It will be easier for them to tell, where do I get the 5, where do I get the 4. So this says 5 plus 4. I'm going to count 5 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then I'm going to count 4 from there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Addition means put together, so we're going to put these counters together, and then we count how many do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means 5 plus 4 equals 9. Then you write 9. And you go to the next problem. You have to first put this back. Very important, because most of the children who are doing this lesson, in their sensitive period of order is really very big in their learning. So you have to make sure that you show them exactly what they need to do. The next problem is 1 plus 1. So we're going to get 1 from here, and 1 from there. Then we're going to put them together. So 1 plus 1 equals 1, 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. You write 2. Then the next one will be, again, I have to put this back and this back. Then you have another problem, which is 3 plus 5. So again, we count 3 from here. 1, 2, and 3, and then you're going to count 5 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Because we're adding, we're putting all these marbles together. What do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that would mean 3 plus 5 equals 8. And we go on and on. You can create these problems at home. If you are observing, you would realize that for those children I sent these problems at home, they have to be within 10. So as long as you write that the answer is not going to go above 10, you can create these problems at home for them to work more on their math skills. Thank you again. I hope this helps, and I'll show you another lesson in a minute. Thank you. Okay, I am going to show you another lesson, which is subtraction, but in the language for the young ones, we use a different language. We say take away. Usually we use this mat in the classroom. This mat makes it very concrete for them, but I'm assuming you don't have this mat at home, so I decided to create something which you can also create at home. I created this paper, and I think it can help. Let's see how I'm planning to use this paper. So this problem here says 7 take away 4. Like I've told you, language is so important, so you want to tell, that's why they note 7 take away 4. So we're going to count 7 from these counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to take away 4. So we're going to take away 4. Count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we'll look and say, how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3. So 7 take away 4 would make 3. And then we are going to put these back. Our next problem says 5 take away 3. So we're going to count 5 from here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're taking out 3. 1, 2, 3. How many do we have left? 1 and 2. So that means 5 take away 3 will be 2. And we're going to put this back in our container. And then the last problem I created today is 2 take away 0. So we're going to count 2, 1, 2. So the kids know that 0 means nothing. So if it's 2 take away 0, that means we don't take away anything. That would remain 2. So 2 take away 0 would be 2. So that's how we do this lesson, take away. I hope this can help you work with some of the lessons I've sent you at home. Thank you, and you stay healthy.